हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू स्टोरी अंडरलाइन। करंट अफेयर्स की मंथली मैगजीन हम शुरू कर रहे हैं विजन आईएएस की, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जुलाई 2023। सब्जेक्ट वाइज हम कवर करेंगे सबसे पहले पॉलिटी, फिर आईआर, फिर इकोनॉमी, फिर साइंस एंड टेक एंड सो ऑन। एम है टाइमली रिविजन। शुरू करते हैं पॉलिटी एंड गवर्नेंस से। यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड और यूसीसी। 22nd लॉ कमीशन ने सजेशन लिया फ्रॉम वेरियस स्टेक होल्डर्स ऑन यूसीसी. What is UCC? It is one law for entire country which would apply to all religious communities in their personal matter. Currently, Indian personal law is very complex. Hindu Succession Act of 1956 governs Hindus, Sikh, Jains and Buddhist. Muslim personal law governs Muslim, and Indian Succession Act of 1925 applies to Christian, Parsis and Jewish. Consultation paper on reform of family law in 2018 recommended existing family law across religions is required to be amended and codified to tackle discrimination, inequality in personal laws. Goa is the only state in India जहां UCC implement हो चुका है. Pre-independence period, background of UCC. Pre-independence period में Lexi Loki report of 1840 emphasized the importance of uniform civil code, codifying Indian laws related to offence, evidence and contracts. It also recommended that personal laws of Muslim and Hindus should not be codified, है ना. सो आपको बस ये याद रखना है, लेक्सी लो की रिपोर्ट आप कहीं कोट कर सकते हैं while writing background of UCC. B.N. Rao Committee 1941 recommended codified Hindu law which would give equal rights to women. Pre-independence period and then post-independence period में Special Marriage Act of 1954 have provision of civil marriage for people of India and all India nationals in foreign countries. Four major enactments of Hindu laws: Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Succession Act, Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Arguments in favor, ये मेंस का पार्ट है. Constitutional mandate है under Article 44 DPSP. It promotes, UCC promotes secularism. It upholds the principle of secular state. National unity and integration. It fosters national unity by transcending religious and community divisions. Gender justice लाता है by eliminating discriminatory practices in certain religions, personal laws. UNHRC, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप इसको कहीं पे भी कोट कर सकते हैं रेफरेंस देते हुए. UNHRC has called India to implement UCC that would help India to demonstrate its commitment to principle of equality and non-discrimination. India to implement UCC that would help India to demonstrate its commitment to principle of equality and non-discrimination. Simplification of laws, जैसा कि हमने पढ़ा था कि अभी के पर्सनल लॉज बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स हैं. So simplification of laws around marriage ceremonies, divorce, inheritance, succession, etc. Adapting to modern times, modern principles and ensuring that laws align with evolving social landscape, promoting inclusivity and individual freedom. Important judicial pronouncement related to UCC: Ahmad Khan versus Shah Bano Begum, Sarla Mudgal versus Union of India, Shaira Bano versus Union of India, 2017. Supreme Court held that practice of talaq-e-biddat or triple talaq as unconstitutional. Shaira Bano versus Union of India, 2017. Arguments against UCC: अगेंस्ट डाइवर्सिटी है, इट वायलेट्स रिलीजियस फ्रीडम अंडर आर्टिकल 25. लैक ऑफ कंसेंसस, सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स से बिना बात किए, बिना अग्रीमेंट के ये इंप्लीमेंट कर देना वुड लीड टू सोशल अनरेस्ट. फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर: यूसीसी कुड एनरोच अपॉन स्टेट्स लेजिस्लेटिव कॉम्पिटेंस, देयर बाय इन्फ्रिंजिंग ऑन प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव फेडरलिज्म. वे फॉरवर्ड क्या है? कंसेंसस, हमको सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स से कंस्ट्रक्टिव डायलॉग करना चाहिए. स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉलिटिकल विल होना चाहिए. यूसीसी शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड एज टूल फॉर पॉलिटिकल गेन्स. अवेयरनेस: कॉमन सिटीजन्स मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द रेशनल बिहाइंड यूसीसी एंड इट्स बेनिफिट्स. इराडिकेटिंग डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. UCC is in line with principles of justice, equality and non-discrimination. Adopting a pessimal approach, it paves the way for internal reform and changes within the religious dispensation. Indian laws: there are certain Indian laws that already follow UCC in most civil matters, like Indian Contract Act, Civil Procedure Code, Partnership Act and Evidence Act. Next is codification of all personal laws. By codifying laws, one can establish universal principles that promotes fairness instead of enforcing a rigid uniform code. नेक्स्ट एक बार फिर से हम रिवाइज कर लेते हैं हमने जो भी अब तक पढ़ा है. यूसीसी हमने देखा, वन लॉ फॉर एंटायर कंट्री विच वुड अप्लाई टू ऑल रिलीजियस कम्युनिटीज इन देयर पर्सनल मैटर. करेंटली पर्सनल लॉज बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स हैं. गोवा इज द ओनली स्टेट जहां यूसीसी इंप्लीमेंट हो चुका है. पोर्चुगीज सिविल कोड ऑफ 1867. बैकग्राउंड ऑफ यूसीसी: प्री इंडिपेंडेंस लेक्सी लो की रिपोर्ट ऑफ 1840, B.N. Rao Committee 1941. पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस पीरियड स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट 1954 एंड अदर फोर मेजर एनेक्टमेंट्स ऑन हिंदू लॉज: हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट, हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट एक्सेट्रा. Arguments in favor: constitutional mandate under Article 44, national unity and integration, gender justice, simplification of laws and adopting to modern times. UNHRC called on India to implement UCC that would help India to demonstrate its commitment to principles of equality and non-discrimination. Arguments against हमने देखा, it is against diversity. violate religious freedom under Article 25, lack of consensus, federal structure, UCC could encroach upon states' legislative competence, infringing on principles of cooperative federalism. Way forward, consensus based होना चाहिए, strong political will, awareness, eradicating discrimination and adopting pessimal approach and codification of all personal laws. यार मेरा पेंसिल का बैटरी खत्म हो गया. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं जुडिशियल पेंडेंसी की. जुडिशियल पेंडेंसी refers to clogged state of judicial system. Why it is in news? 5 crore cases are pending in various courts as per Ministry of Law and Justice. क्या क्या reasons है pendency of cases के? Low ratio of judges to population. There are total 21 judges for every million people, whereas Law Commission had recommended 50 judges per million. Frequent adjournment, lack of infrastructure. 0.08 say 0.09% of GDP is budgetary allocation to the judiciary. Delayed investigation, non-availability of counsel, misaligned incentives, the complexity of facts involved. Way forward क्या है pendency of cases के लिए? Appointment of judges. All India Judicial Services examination can be considered to maintain high standards in the judiciary. Article 224A and 128 can be invoked to appoint ad hoc judges. Ad hoc judges who are temporary. Promoting alternative dispute resolution ADRs mechanisms such as Lok Adalat, arbitration, mediation, conciliation. Strengthening infrastructure, setting a time limit, especially in subordinate court. Time limit should be set for hearing a case and deciding, especially in subordinate courts. Changes in criminal justice and procedural laws, reduce the criminalization of violation and move towards compounding of minor offences. Grievance redressal, government departments must establish strong internal grievance redressal mechanism and empower designated officers to decide disputes between employees and departments. Create a law-abiding society. Introduce incentives and sanction-based model of motivation to ensure that citizens abide by the law. Initiatives taken to curb judicial pendency. Project Sahyog to reduce pendency cases. Example में आप इसको लिख सकते हैं, so याद रखें. Project Sahyog to reduce pendency cases. Legal Information Management and Briefing System, LIMS. It is web-based application for monitoring cases involving central government of India more effectively and more transparently. Mediation Bill 2023. It provides for pre-litigation and mediation by parties. अगर आपने इसके next month का, मतलब हम अभी पढ़ रहे हैं जुलाई का, अगर आपने अगस्त का पॉलिटी का सेक्शन पढ़ा है, तो आपको मीडिएशन बिल 2023 देखने को मिलेगा. It provides for pre-litigation, mediation by parties. E-courts, use of technology. NLP, National Litigation Policy, controlling and reducing litigation. AMRD, Administrative Mechanism for Resolution of Dispute to resolve inter-ministerial departmental disputes. Fast-track courts are dedicated courts expected to ensure swift dispensation of justice. So हमने जो भी पढ़ा एक बार और रिवाइज करते हैं. UCC हमने देख लिया है. One law for entire country which would apply to all religious communities in their personal matter. In favor of UCC, constitutional mandate, national unity and integrity, gender justice, simplification of laws, adapting to modern times. Arguments against UCC, against diversity है, lack of consensus, federal structure. Way forward is consensus based होना चाहिए, constructive dialogue, strong political will, awareness, eradicating discrimination, adopting a pessimal approach, codification of all personal laws. Judicial pendency हमने देखा, it refers to clogged state of judicial system. 5 crore cases already pending है various courts में according to Ministry of Law and Justice. रीजंस क्या क्या है? लो रेशियो जजेस टू पॉपुलेशन 21 प्रेजेंट में है, होने चाहिए 50 अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ कमीशन. फ्रीक्वेंट एडजर्नमेंट्स होते हैं, लैक ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, डिलेड इन्वेस्टिगेशन. वे फॉरवर्ड क्या है? पेंडेंसी केसेस के लिए अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ जजेस. Infrastructure, ADR mechanism, setting a time limit, changes in criminal justice and procedural laws, grievance redressal and create a law-abiding society. Initiatives, Project Sahyog to reduce pendency cases, LIMS which is web-based application to monitor cases, Mediation Bill 2023 pre-litigation mediation by parties, e-courts using technology, NLP National Litigation Policy controlling and reducing litigation, administrative mechanism for resolution of disputes AMRD to resolve interministerial and departmental disputes, FTC fast track courts to dedicated courts expected to ensure swift dispensation of justice. Next हम बात कर रहे हैं Directorate of Enforcement की, that is ED. What is Directorate of Enforcement? It is multidisciplinary organization which is mandated to investigate economic crimes and violation of foreign exchange laws. It works under Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. Headquarter, New Delhi. Appointment, as per provision of CVC, Central Vigilance Commission Act 2023, not less than 2 years. Appointment, tenure should not be less than 2 years and any transfer have to be sanctioned by appointing committee chaired by CVC. मैक्सिमम 3 साल का एक्सटेंशन अंडर सेंट्रल विजिलेंस कमीशन एक्ट 2021। पावर्स क्या है डायरेक्टोरेट ऑफ एनफोर्समेंट के? पावर टू सीज एसेट्स, पावर टू समन, सेम पावर है एज ऑफ सिविल कोर्ट, पावर टू अरेस्ट, इन्वेस्टिगेट एंड मेक अरेस्ट फॉर वायलेशन विदाउट वेटिंग फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन। ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, यहाँ हमको 2 चीजें देखने को मिलेगी, आगे एक मैं आपको बताऊंगा। आप ये याद रखें कि इट हैज पावर टू अरेस्ट इवन विदाउट वेटिंग फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ फॉर्मल FIR बाय पुलिस। रिकॉर्ड एडमिसिबिलिटी, statement recorded by ED officials can be admitted as evidence in the court, as they are not police officials and thus not subject to challenge on the grounds of being self-incriminatory. So ये 2 points आपको याद रखने हैं। ED has power to arrest even without waiting for registration of formal FIR by police. Record admissibility, the statement recorded by ED officials can be admitted as evidence in the court. Recovery of fines, penalties and arrears of penalties. ED can take necessary steps to recover fines. Issues क्या क्या है ED के साथ? Conviction rate कम है, conviction rate is low as 0.5%. Lack of transparency, lack of clarity and transparency about ED selection of cases to investigate. Failing credibility, the image of investigative agencies like ED, CBI has been tarnished by allegations of corruption, lack of impartiality and close nexus with political class. Lack of workforce, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लैक करते हैं, वर्कफोर्स भी कम है, राइजिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज एंड इकोनॉमिक ऑफेंसेस। वे फॉरवर्ड क्या है ईडी का? ईडी के लिए एनहेंसिंग कैपेसिटी, प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग इन मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी, रेगुलेशन, डिस्क्रिशन एक्सरसाइज बाय ईडी अंडर PMLA शुड बी गाइडेड बाय रूल ऑफ लॉ, reducing pendency, fast track courts होने चाहिए, special benches should be constituted to expedite adjudication process, oversight committee to streamline the case selection process based on objective criteria and boost transparency in functioning of ED, awareness and protection, encourage whistleblowers to come forward. So हमने देखा ईडी के बारे में। ईडी इज मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू इन्वेस्टिगेट इकोनॉमिक क्राइम्स एंड वायलेशन ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज लॉज। इट कम्स अंडर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रेवेन्यू, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस, हेडक्वार्टर है दिल्ली में। अपॉइंटमेंट एज पर प्रोविजन ऑफ CVC एक्ट 2003, नॉट लेस देन 2 years, टेन्योर शुड नॉट बी लेस देन 2 years एंड फॉलोड बाय मैक्सिमम ऑफ 3 annual एक्सटेंशन। पावर्स हमने देखे, पावर टू सीज एसेट्स, समन, पावर टू समन है, सेम पावर एज अ सिविल कोर्ट, पावर टू अरेस्ट विदाउट वेटिंग फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ फॉर्मल FIR बाय पुलिस, रिकॉर्ड एडमिसिबिलिटी, स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्डेड बाय ED officials can be taken as evidence in court. Recovery of fines and penalties. इश्यूज क्या क्या है? कन्विक्शन रेट बहुत कम है, एज लो एज 0.5%, लैक ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंसी है, फेलिंग क्रेडिबिलिटी करप्शन के कारण, इम्पार्शियलिटी एंड क्लोज नेक्सस विद पॉलिटिकल क्लास के कारण, लैक ऑफ वर्कफोर्स है, लैक ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, वर्कफोर्स, रिसोर्सेज। वे फॉरवर्ड क्या है? एनहेंसिंग कैपेसिटी, प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग होनी चाहिए, रेगुलेशन, डिस्क्रिशन अंडर PMLA शुड बी गाइडेड बाय रूल ऑफ लॉ, रिड्यूसिंग पेंडेंसी, फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट्स होने चाहिए, स्पेशल बेंचेस कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करने चाहिए, ओवरसाइट कमिटीज टू स्ट्रीमलाइन दी case selection process based on objective criteria, awareness and protection of whistleblowers. Next हम बात करते हैं मल्टी स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज अमेंडमेंट बिल 2023। मल्टी स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज एक्ट 2002। ऑब्जेक्टिव है इसका टू अमेंड दी लॉज रिलेटिंग टू कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज विद ऑब्जेक्ट नॉट कन्फाइंड टू वन स्टेट एंड सर्विंग द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ मेंबर्स इन मोर देन वन स्टेट। ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, मल्टी स्टेट है मतलब मोर देन वन स्टेट। की प्रोविजन ऑफ द एक्ट क्या है? एप्लीकेशन, द एक्ट अप्लाइज टू ऑल कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज with objects not confined to one state. Registration through a central registrar. Reorganization, central registrar to prepare a scheme for amalgamation of reorganization of cooperative banks. This is done on direction of central government with prior approval of RBI. यहाँ पे देखिए, central registrar to prepare a scheme for amalgamation or reorganization of cooperative bank. This is done on the direction of central government with prior approval of RBI. and in accordance with Banking Regulation Act of 1949. Other developments क्या क्या रहे? 3 national level MSCS under MSCS Act 2002, namely National Multi-State Cooperative Export Society, National Multi-State Cooperative Organic Society and National Multi-State Cooperative Seed Society. Export Society, Organic Society and Seed Society. Need for the amendment bill या फिर issues क्या क्या face कर रहे थे? Consistency with 9B. Multi-State Cooperative Society Act needs to be amended to bring consistency with Constitution Act 2011, which incorporates 9B in the Constitution of India. Fulfillment of cooperative principles. It aims to plug loopholes in existing legislation and strengthen governance in MSCS in accordance with cooperative principles. Need for reforms in MSCS. Easier and digital registration process. Revival of SICK MSCS through dedicated funds. Revival of SICK multi-state cooperative societies. SICK multi-state cooperative society कौन होते हैं? Who has accumulated loss equal to or exceeding the total of its paid up capital, free reserves and surplus, or suffered cash loss in past 2 years. ठीक है. कोऑपरेटिव प्रिंसिपल्स क्या क्या है? वॉलंटरी एंड ओपन मेंबरशिप होनी चाहिए, members economic participation, education, training and information, democratic member control, autonomy and independence, concern for community. फीचर्स क्या क्या है बिल के? एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव इलेक्शन अथॉरिटी. Presently, election to the board of multi-state cooperative society are conducted by existing board. So, establishment of cooperative election authority. Bill specifies that central government will establish cooperative election authority to conduct elections to the board of multi-state cooperative society. Amalgamation and division of cooperative society. The act provides for amalgamation and division of cooperative society. The bill allows to cooperative societies to merge into existing multi-state cooperative society. ये लोग merge कर सकते हैं. Fund for Sikh cooperative society. Sikh cooperative society हमने देखा क्या होते हैं? Cooperative rehabilitation, reconstruction and development fund to revive Sikh multi-state cooperative society. Multi-state cooperative societies that are in profit for preceding 3 financial years shall finance the fund. They will deposit either 1 crore rupees or 1% of their net profit into the fund, whichever is less. कौन से किसके लिए फंड? जो सिख कोऑपरेटिव्स के लिए फंड जो जाएगा वो आएगा जो लोग प्रॉफिट बना रहे हैं मल्टी स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी उनसे. Restriction on redemption of government shareholding, redressal of complaints, cooperative ombudsman with territorial jurisdiction होना चाहिए. Composition of board of directors. 21 directors, 2 additional directors. याद रखें, the bill amends the composition of board of directors to mandate the inclusion of 1 scheduled caste or scheduled tribe member or 2 women members. Next is Cinematograph Bill 2023. About CBFC is statutory body under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Headquarters है मुंबई में. Vision है इसका to ensure the good and healthy entertainment in accordance with provision of Cinematograph Act 1952 and Cinematograph Rules 1983. Composition है इसका consist of non-official members and a chairman of whom all of whom are appointed by central government. ठीक है. The proposed amendments aim to make the certification process more effective and in tune with present by introducing new certification categories. शुरू करते हैं key provisions of the bill. Age-based certification. The bill introduces 3 age-based certifications under UA category: UA 7+, UA 13+, and UA 16+. These are only recommendatory. Categories in film certification क्या क्या होते हैं? U का मतलब होता है universal and without restriction. UA मतलब without restriction but subject to guidance of parent or guardian. A only adults. S only members of any profession or class of persons. Separate certificate for television and other medias. It makes film piracy a punishable offense. News in shorts. Right to silence. Right to silence, Article 20, Subclause 3, which states that no one can be compelled to be a witness against himself. Protection is limited only to criminal proceedings. Right is not available to a person being interrogated under Customs Act 1962 or Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA Act 1999. SOP to check the usage of freebies, liquor to lure voters. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs issues SOP to limit the usage of freebies, liquor to attract voters. Setting up flying squads and static surveillance teams for vehicle check and verification of warehouses. CBIC headquarter है न्यू दिल्ली में. It is Administrative Authority for Central Excise Ministry. It comes under Ministry of Finance, Department of Revenue. Composition headed by chairman along with members of all subordinate bodies. Objective है इसका levy and collection of customs and central excise duties, prevention of smuggling. Demarcation of role of MCA and MeitY. Ministry of Information and Technology. India's digital market is expected to touch $1 trillion by 2025-26. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, would be nodal ministry to look into the competition issues in the digital market. All the competition issues in the digital market. Ministry of Corporate Affairs will look into all the competition issues in digital market. Ministry of Information Technology will look into sector specific issues. याद रखें, demarcation of roles. Demarcate कर गया, separate कर दिया गया roles को MCA और MeitY की. MCA will look into competition issues in digital market and Ministry of Information Tech will look into sector specific issues. Dark patterns. Dark patterns क्या होते हैं? Advertising Standard Council of India ASCI has issued guidelines for dark patterns. Dark pattern is user interface crafted to trick or manipulate users into making choices detrimental to their interest. Dark pattern is user interface crafted to trick or manipulate users into making choices detrimental to their interest. Example, buying a more expensive product, paying more than what is initially disclosed. Misleading advertisements are defined under Consumer Protection Act 2019. Guidelines has 4 online advertising techniques. Drip pricing, costs are not revealed upfront. False urgency, more limited than they actually are. Distinguished ads. Advertisements resembling editorial or organic content must disclose that is advertisement like paid reviews, influencer posts, etc. Bait and switch, advertising one product or service but delivering another. About ASCI, Advertising Standard Council of India, to keep Indian ads decent, fair and honest. It is voluntary self-regulatory organization. It has been committed to protecting Indian consumers' interests through self-regulation in advertisement. So हमने क्या क्या देखा? हमने कवर करा UCC, one law for entire country which would apply to all religious communities in their personal matter. Favors constitutional mandate, secularism, national unity, integrity, gender justice, simplification of law, adopting to modern times. Against diversity, lack of consensus, federal structure को हार्म करता है. वे फॉरवर्ड कंसेंसस बेस्ड होना चाहिए, स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉलिटिकल विल, अवेयरनेस, एराडिकेटिंग डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, अडॉप्टिंग पेसिमल अप्रोच, कोडिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑल पर्सनल लॉस. UNHRC has called upon India to implement UCC that would help India to demonstrate its commitment to principle of equality and non-discrimination. Ahmad Khan versus Shah Bano Begum, Sarla Mudgal versus Union of India, Shaira Bano versus Union of India, which held triple talaq as unconstitutional. Background of UCC, Lexi Loki Report 1840, B.N. Rao Committee 1941, Special Marriage Act 1954. नेक्स्ट हमने देखा जुडिशियल पेंडेंसी. जुडिशियल पेंडेंसी इज क्लॉग्ड स्टेट ऑफ जुडिशियल सिस्टम. 5 करोड़ केसेस ऑलरेडी पेंडिंग है कोर्ट में एज पर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लॉ एंड जस्टिस. रीजंस फॉर पेंडेंसी ऑफ केसेस: लो रेशियो ऑफ जजेस टू पॉपुलेशन, फ्रीक्वेंट एडजर्नमेंट्स, लैक ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, डिलेड इन्वेस्टिगेशन. 21 जजेस अभी करंटली हैं फॉर एवरी मिलियन पॉपुलेशन और एवरी मिलियन पीपल, और लॉ कमीशन ने रिकमेंड किया है 50 जजेस पर मिलियन. 0.08 से 0.09% of GDP is budgetary allocation to the judiciary. Way forward है appointment of judges. All India Judicial Service Examination can be considered to maintain high standards in the judiciary. Article 224A and 128 can be invoked to appoint ad hoc judges. ADRs, alternative dispute resolution mechanisms such as Lok Adalat, arbitration, mediation, conciliation, can help to reduce the burden on courts and facilitate robust legal practice. Strengthening infrastructure, setting a time limit, especially in subordinate courts. Changes in criminal justice and procedural laws, reduce the criminalization of violation and move towards compounding of minor offences. Grievance redressal सही होना चाहिए and create a law-abiding society. Initiatives, Project Sahyog to reduce pendency cases. LIMS, which is a web-based application for monitoring cases involving Central Government of India. Mediation Bill 2023, which provides for pre-litigation mediation by parties. E-courts, using technology, improving access to justice. NLP, National Litigation Policy, controlling and reducing litigation. Administrative mechanism for resolution of justice or disputes. AMRD, to resolve inter-ministerial or departmental disputes. Administrative mechanism for resolution of disputes. Fast track courts, dedicated courts expected to ensure swift dispensation of justice. Directorate enforcement of acts by ED, PMLA, Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, FEMA, FEOA, Fugitive Economic Offenders Act, Sponsoring Agency under Conservation of Foreign Exchange and Prevention of Smuggling Activities Act 1974. डी के बारे में हमने देखा, मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है टू इन्वेस्टिगेट इकोनॉमिक क्राइम्स एंड वायलेशन फॉर फॉरेन एक्सचेंज लॉज. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रेवेन्यू अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस के अंडर आता है, हेडक्वार्टर दिल्ली में है. अपॉइंटमेंट एज पर प्रोविजन ऑफ CVC एक्ट 2003, नॉट लेस देन 2 years एंड फॉलोड बाय मैक्सिमम ऑफ 3 annual एक्सटेंशन. पावर्स क्या क्या है डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ एनफोर्समेंट के? पावर टू सीज असेट्स, पावर टू समन, सेम पावर एज सिविल कोर्ट, पावर टू अरेस्ट विदाउट waiting for registration of formal FIR by police. Record admissibility, statement recorded by ED officials can be admitted as evidence in the court. Recovery of fines and penalties. Issues क्या क्या है? Conviction rate बहुत कम है 0.5%. Lack of transparency, failing credibility, lack of workforce, close nexus with political class. Way forward क्या है? Enhancing capacity, proper training in modern tech. Regulation, discretion under PMLA should be guided by rule of law. Reducing pendency, fast track courts, special benches. Oversight committee to overlook and streamline the case selection process based on objective criteria. Awareness and protection of whistleblowers to come forward. Multi-State Cooperative Society Bill 2023. Multi-State Cooperative Society Act 2002 to amend the law relating to cooperative societies serving the interest of members in more than one state. Key provision of the act क्या है? It applies to all cooperative society with object not confined to one state. Registration, central registrar. Internal governance, every multi-state cooperative society may make its bylaws consistent with previous provision of this act for its internal governance. Reorganization, central registrar to prepare a scheme for amalgamation of reorganization of cooperative banks. Prior approval of RBI is required in accordance with Banking Regulation Act 1949. Other developments, 3 national level multi-state cooperative societies under MSCS Act 2002. National Multi-State Cooperative Export Society, Organic Society and Seed Society. नीड क्या है? नीड फॉर द अमेंडमेंट बिल. इश्यूज क्या क्या फेस कर रहा था? कंसिस्टेंसी विद पार्ट 9B कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट जो आया था 2011 में, विच इनकॉर्पोरेटेड पार्ट 9B इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव प्रिंसिपल्स. नीड फॉर रिफॉर्म्स इन MCS. रिवाइवल ऑफ सिक MSCS थ्रू डेडिकेटेड फंड. सिक मल्टी स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी क्या होता है? एक्यूमुलेटेड लॉसेस इक्वल टू और एक्सीडिंग द टोटल ऑफ इट्स पेड अप कैपिटल और सफर्ड कैश लॉस in last 2 financial years. Cooperative principles: voluntary and open membership, members' economic participation, education, training and information, democratic member control, autonomy and independence, and concern for community. Features of the bill क्या क्या रहे? मल्टी स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी एक्ट ऑफ 2023 के एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव इलेक्शन अथॉरिटी, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट विल, एंड अमालगमेशन एंड डिवीजन ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज, फंड फॉर सिक कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज, rehabilitation, reconstruction and developmental fund. Cooperative societies that are in profit for preceding 3 financial years shall finance the fund. 1 crore rupees or 1% of net profit, whichever is less. Redressal of complaints: cooperative ombudsman with territorial jurisdiction. Composition of board of directors: 12 directors, 2 additional directors. Mandate the inclusion of 1 scheduled caste or scheduled tribe member and 2 women members. Cinematograph Bill 2023. It is a statutory body, Central Board of Film Certification, CBFC. इसका हेडक्वार्टर है मुंबई में, अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग. विजन है इसका टू एंश्योर गुड एंड हेल्दी एंटरटेनमेंट इन अकॉर्डेंस विद प्रोविजन ऑफ सिनेमेटोग्राफ एक्ट 1952 एंड सिनेमेटोग्राफ सर्टिफिकेशन रूल्स 1983. Composition: non-official members and chairmen, all of whom are appointed by central government. To make certification process more effective and in tune with present, introducing new criteria or certification categories. Age-based certification: it introduced 3 age-based certification under UA category: UA 7+, 13+, and 16+. It is only recommendatory. Separate certificate for television and other media makes film piracy a punishable offence. News in shorts: right to silence, Article 20, Subclause 3. No one can be compelled to be a witness against himself. Limited only to criminal proceedings. Right to silence is not available to person being interrogated under Customs Act 1962 or FEMA Act 1999. SOP to check the usage of freebies, liquor to lure voters. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs issues SOP to limit the usage of freebies and liquor to attract voters. Setting up flying squads and static surveillance teams for vehicle check and verification of warehouses. CBIC, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, headquarter है न्यू दिल्ली में. It is administrative authority for Central Excise, Central GST and Custom Houses and Central Revenue Control Laboratory. Ministry of Finance के अंडर आता है Department of Revenue. Objective है to levy and collection of customs and Central Excise duties, prevention of smuggling. Demarcation of roles of MCA, that is Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and Ministry of Information and Technology. India's digital market is expected to touch $1 trillion by 2025-26. So Ministry of Corporate Affairs should be nodal ministry to look into competition issues in digital market. And MeitY will look into sector-specific issues. Dark patterns. The Advertising Standard Council of India, ASCI, has issued guidelines for dark patterns. ASCI होता क्या है? Established in 1985 by professionals from advertisement and media industry to keep Indian ads decent, fair and honest. Voluntary self-regulatory organization है. It has been committed to protect Indian customers' interest through self-regulation in advertising. Dark pattern is user interface crafted to trick or manipulate users into making choices detrimental to their interest. Misleading advertisements, these are defined under Consumer Protection Act of 2019. Guidelines addresses 4 online advertising techniques. Drip pricing. Element of cost are not revealed upfront. False urgency, more limited than they actually are. ज़्यादा limited है जबकि वो limited नहीं है. Distinguished ads, paid reviews, influencers post, bait and switch. Advertising one product or service but delivering another. So हमने कवर कर लिया है जुलाई का पॉलिटी का पोर्शन. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मैं अगस्त के पॉलिटी का बनाऊंगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ऐसे ही हम कवर करेंगे. अभी तक थोड़ा बैकलॉग है हमारे ऊपर, सो पहले बैकलॉग क्लियर कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम सीक्वेंस वाइज चलेंगे. पॉलिटी एंड गवर्नेंस हमने देख लिया. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे. तब तक के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.